Let's take a quick tour of Netrinos. Install on any device, Windows, Mac, Linux, and mobile. And your whole network appears. Reach your Windows PC. Click RDP for Remote Desktop. Click SMB for file sharing. Not every device can run Netrinos software. Share those through a local Netrinos device. On your desktop, let's create a virtual device. Now it has its own address on the mesh. Back on the laptop, the NAS shows up in your list. Click SMB for file sharing. Same as before, access your files. Accessing live video from a camera normally requires port forwarding or a cloud-based video recorder. Not here. Paste the camera URL into VLC and it plays. There is no need to expose ports. Netrinos. It's like a LAN that spans the internet. Try it for free at netrinos.com.